Application of linear function, part 4. Okay, in the market, sometimes the demand for one good is influenced by the demand for another good. And this can happen to two or more kinds of products that are related, such as substitution products and then complementary products. Example of substitute products is rice with wheat, kerosene with LPG. So when the rice is going high, the wheat will substitute the needs of the rice. The same happen with kerosene and with LPG gas. And the next example of complementary products is tea with sugar, cement with sand. So the increasing of tea price or sugar price will make the price of tea going high. Same happen also with cement with sand. So mathematically, the demand function and the product supply function that interact have two independent variables, namely the price of the product itself and other related products. So here you can see that the demand function of two products Q dx equal with A0 plus A1 px plus A2 py. Q dy is B0 plus B1 times px plus b2 times py. As you can see here that for the demand function between x and y are both influenced by the price of x and the price of y. Yeah, so you can see here the description for every symbol. And next is the supply function of two products qsx and qsy. You can see here also influenced by price of x and price of y. Yeah, and A0, B0, M0, N0, A1, A2, that's all a constanta. A1, A2, B1, B2, M1, M2, N1 and N2 is the coefficient for each price in each equation. So how to find the equilibrium? It will be occurred if Qsx equal with Qdx and Qsy equal with Qdy. So you have to find first of all, find the equilibrium of each product. They are Qsx equal Qdx alone, so only axis, and Qsy with Qdy. So basically, from the previous slide, you see that we have four equations. 1, 2, 3, 4 equations. And if you do like this, you will find another equation which we call with fifth equation. And this also becomes sixth equation. Then next is eliminate the fifth and sixth equation to find the price of x and py. Okay, so this is the then you can find the equilibrium for qx and qy too. So okay, pex, pey. Okay, I erase that again. Pex and pey. Also, then substitute the third. Substitute pex and pey so that you can find qey and qex. Okay, so we go now to the exercise. Given that the demand function and supply function of two kinds of products that have a substitution relationship are known as follows. So you can see here, this is the demand function for x, demand function for y, supply function for x, supply function for y, along with the equation here. Find the market equilibrium price and quantity. Right, I'll go work on this. So I will give here as my given data, and I call this as my first equation. This is the second equation. This is the third equation, fourth equation, with the equations of this, yeah, and they are QEX, QEY. QEX will be paired with PEX, and QEY, PEY. So now we start to find the equilibrium of X. Okay, I'll split my screen again into 3 parts. Equilibrium of product X is by eliminating equation 1 with 3. Equation 3. So it is q dx equal with q as x. Q dx is 5 minus 2px plus py equal with 5 minus plus 4px minus py. Now collect all the px's and py's to the left side and the only numbers to the right side. So this one, the 5 here goes to the right, and all the 4px and py over here goes to the left. Okay, I will work on that. So the minus 2px stay in the left side, on the left side. Then this plus 4px goes here, become minus 4px. Then minus py become plus py equal with minus 5 over here. Yeah. Then the 5 here goes to the right, become minus 5. So then it will be 6px py plus py plus 2py, and then minus 10. Mean 6 plus 2 and 10. You can divide it with 2, all of them. 3px, 2py divided with 2 is py, and this become minus 5. So this all become your new equation, and we call that as equation 5. Next is equilibrium of product Y by eliminating equation 2 with equation 4. Okay, so QDY and QSY. QDY is 6 plus px minus py equal with minus 4 minus px plus 3py. And then again, like the previous one, we collect all the px's and py into the right side, onto the left side, so that px minus py stay on the left side, and then the minus px here plus 3py here goes to the left, so it becomes plus px minus 3py, and this is minus 4 stay on the right side, plus 6 on the left side goes here, become minus 6. Then okay, so px plus px plus px is 2px, minus py minus 3py is minus 4 py, 2px minus 4 py equal with minus 10. And we simplified this by dividing it with 2. So this will be px minus 2py and minus 5. And this is our new equation. We call that as sixth equation. Next is eliminate equation 5 with 6. So 5 is minus 3px plus py equal with min 5, and then px minus 2py minus 5. So I want to eliminate py, yeah, but this is still in first with one coefficient, and this is second, so I have to multiply the upperst with 2, and then this with 1, so then it becomes minus 3 times 2 is minus 6 px plus py times 2 is 2 py equal with minus 5 times 2 minus 10. And this will stay the same because px times 1 is still px, minus 2 py times 1 is minus 2 py, and that is still minus 5. Okay, how to eliminate what? Eliminate py. Yeah, so this we have 2 py and minus 2 py. To eliminate that, then we need to add not summarize. We are using the operator of plus. Yeah, so minus 6px plus px is minus 5px plus 2py minus 2py 0. So eliminate it. Minus 10 minus 5 is minus 15. Then px is minus 15 divided with minus 5 is 3. So now we call that as PEX. Okay, we change name as the equilibrium price of X. Next is substitute PEX 3 to find the PY, yeah? To find the equilibrium of PY, substitute PEX to the fifth or the sixth equation, because we found PX through this, yeah, through this process. The last process is this one. So I will use equation 6 because it's much more simple. Okay, what is 6? Px minus 2py equal to minus 5. So px here changed with the equilibrium price 3 minus 2py minus 3. Sorry, this is 5. Okay, this is 5. Px minus 5. And then 3 minus 2py and minus 5 goes to the left side. Okay. Let me repeat the process. Okay, let the py on the left, and then the 3 over on the left side goes to the right side, then it will become minus 3. So then minus 2py is equal with minus 8. Then py is 4. Yeah, so I change now as the equilibrium of y. Like that. So then the price, the equilibrium price of X and Y is 3 and 4. Right. The next step is to find the quantity, the equilibrium of the quantity of X and quantity equilibrium of Y. So how to do that? We need to substitute for, well, for product X, we substitute excuse my writing, substitute of PEX equal with 3 and the PEY 4 to, what is the equation of product X? QDX and QSX. So just choose one of them. Yeah, choose one of them. So I will pick QSX. So this is to equation 1 or equation 3. Okay, let me use equation 1. I said 1 or 3. Okay, then 1. Q dx, this is 1. 5 minus 2 px plus py. 5 minus 2 px is 3 times 3 plus pey is 4. So 5 minus 6 plus 4 is 3. Okay. So then next is for product Y. The same as to find the QEX is to substitute PEX 3 and PEY 4 to, yeah, what is the equation of product Y? And that is equation 2 and 4. Then I choose 2 then. So QDY is 6 plus PX minus PY, and that is 6 plus 3 plus, minus 4, and that is 9 minus 4 is 5. Now you can change the name with QEY. Oh, I forgot this, QEX. So the quantity equilibrium of product X and Y is okay. I should write that as like this, respectively. All right. Okay. Yeah, understood.